Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Anthony, and in today's video, I'm so excited. I've done something a little bit silly. I have ordered over $1,000 worth of product from ASOS. What? But before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really does help my channel to grow and I really appreciate it. Please also leave a comment. I really want to grow this channel and I really want a community of fashion lovers to be involved and to get into the conversation. Tell me what you like, tell me what you don't like, tell me what you think suits me, tell me what you think looks awful. Just comment down below. And oh my god, the parcels are huge. Like, just look at them. Oh, I guess they don't look that big on camera. Trust me, they're big, they're heavy, and there's a lot of stuff in here. I think total I ordered about 34 items. And I know I work in fashion, but I don't like to spend a lot of money on my clothing unless they're specific special pieces. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so different camera angle. This is actually the other side of my room, and this is where I'm going to be trying on everything. I've got a sheet up behind me because you don't want to see the mirrors. This is my window, this is my radiator, and there is my plant. Something that I really try to find is new versions of these chinos, because I love these chinos so much. So what I've done is I've bought 3 different pairs of chinos that are very similar to these. Hopefully they work, so maybe I'll try them on first. Okay, so these are the black chinos that I bought, and I actually really like them. I mean, they're only like 20 quid, so you can't really complain much about them. And this is a little Fred Perry top that I got, which I think is also super nice. The only problem with these trousers, they're a little bit tight on my calf area, so it just feels a little bit tighter, but honestly I think they're a great replacement for my other ones that I had. And this t-shirt, I think it's really nice as well. I mean, it's just basic, but you know, it's just a nice simple striped shirt. I can go to meetings in it and still feel comfortable. You know, my office isn't really that formal, so wearing t-shirt to a meeting's fine. But yeah, super happy with it. Okay, on to the next. Okay, this is a little Carhartt T-shirt number. Oh, I really like it actually. It's neon green, got a little Carhartt patch. I think it looks super nice. I'm really happy with it. I've still got it with these trousers, but I'm just gonna try on a few different T-shirts with these so you can actually see a few different tops in one go. Oh! So this is a nice little Columbia top in kind of like a tealy green colour. Oh, and I actually really like this as well. Most of the t-shirts that I've ordered are in medium. I don't really wear a lot of smalls, even though I am a small in size. I just think it's so constricting. I like a bit of movement, especially when I'm working in the design studio. I need to be able to be like... So it's a little bit bigger than a small, but I actually prefer it. It looks really cool. Next. Woo! So an Adidas top in a light blue. Nice little everyday top. Yeah, I think it looks really good. I'm really happy with it. I mean, what can you say about all these t-shirts really? I mean, they're all just t-shirts with logo prints on really, so can't really say too much, but yeah, I'm really happy with it so far. Okay, so this is another Adidas t-shirt in a kind of baby pink colour. This is like really oversized, the sleeves are coming down to my elbows, and I think it is a little bit big, but I don't mind it because I just feel comfortable in it. I know that I can go on a night out in it. I know that I could go to the office in it. Really like the embroidery on it, and it's also got it on embroidery on the back. Don't look at my hair. Oh my god, my hair looks horrible. Another good t-shirt. Very happy with it. Oh my god, clearly I was feeling one particular brand when I ordered all this. Another Adidas top. This is just a plain grey top. Do I blend in with the background? No? Okay, fine, whatever. And I don't know whether this is actually something that I need. I mean, if it wasn't for that logo, would I be paying 45 quid for it? Do I really need it? I don't know, maybe this is one to go back. Mind you though, I do this, do I like it? Okay, so I thought I'd try on another pair of chinos. These are actually meant to be the same fit as the other ones that I bought. And I don't know if you can see, they're not. But I don't know, I kind of like them still. I mean, they're a lot baggier. I mean, they make me look wider and shorter, which is never a good look, but I don't know, I still kind of like them. They're kind of a bit workery, but I don't know, I've got another pair in a similar colour to these, and they look like they'd be a bit more fitted, so maybe I'll try them on in a sec. But this t-shirt, I mean, yeah, it's okay. I feel like the Fred Perry t-shirt was a lot nicer though. So maybe I'll just stick with the Fred Perry one and send this back because, I don't know. I mean, it's okay, but it's not amazing. But you know, wherever. Ooh, okay, so this is a large. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm wearing a large. I thought it'd bury me, but it doesn't. And actually, this is from New Look. I actually swore I'd never buy New Look again after I left there, but this is actually really nice, and maybe I'll go back there. Oh, really like it. And then these are a different cargo trouser. So the other ones were a little bit big. These seemed a lot more tapered down at the bottom, and I think these are a lot nicer. However, they are very tight on the waist. They're a 30, and I'm definitely a 30. I am not a 32.
Delusion. Convince yourself.
Not too bad. Woo! Okay, so this is a nice little striped top from Topman, and I've got this in another colourway as well, so I'll try that on in a second. But actually, it looks really nice. I was thinking it was going to be really short, because on the website it just looked really short. It looks really good. Right, I'm going to try on the other colourway. Ooh. Okay, so this is the other colourway of the pink top, and I think I like it even more. I think I'm really feeling for like that kind of tealy colourway. I've got a lot of teal to try on. I mean, I've already tried on a couple, but it's another 1, 2, 3 or 4 to try on here. So yeah, but I'm feeling it. I think it looks really nice. Oh my god, a Revere Seersucker T-shirt. Yes, and matching shorts. Ah, what? I'm just in love with this. And they've got like little zip pockets on the side. It's so comfortable. Oh my god. And I like it together. It's like a little matching thing. Oh yes, I am feeling the green. Oh, green. Love it. Woo! I'm not really feeling this top. So it's a Vans t-shirt and it's got Vans on the back as well. But I don't know, it just doesn't feel like anything special. I don't know, maybe it's because I'm wearing it with these shorts. These are Collusion shorts. Actually, shout out to one of my friends who is actually the Collusion designer. Hey Lucy! But yeah, so I bought these Collusion shorts, not to wear to work, obviously, but I was thinking these would be quite nice just to wear around the house when I'm lounging on the weekend. I mean, they do make me look super short, and maybe it's because I'm wearing it with this. Maybe I should change the top. Okay, so I've just tried it on with a white top that I got from Uniqlo. I actually really like these white tops. I think I'll keep them, but we'll see. Ooh, Tommy. Okay, so this is just another tee. It's a Tommy tee. Tommy tee. I really like this t-shirt, but I just don't know whether it's anything special again. But yeah, and then these are the navy versions of the black chinos that I was wearing earlier, and I actually really like them. I've been wanting some like navy kind of chinos for a while because I think they look really smart and cool, and you can just pair them down with like t-shirts like this and they look really good. So these are a definite win for me. I really like them. Ooh. Yes. Oh my god, knitted Revere shirt. Yes. I am really liking this. And the mustard colour. Ooh, I'm kind of liking it, especially with the navy chinos. I think that's like a really nice look. I could definitely wear it to the office. I could wear it on holiday to a meal or a night out or something like that and still look super smart. And it goes really well with my chunky trainers. Super nice. Yeah, I'm really happy with them. Oh my god, what? Oh god, this is so fun. Like, I've got a knitted Revere shirt with cable stitch on it. I don't know what I was thinking when I bought this. Oh my god, I don't know. As soon as I took this out of the bag, I was like, no. Let me have a look properly in my mirror because I haven't actually looked at it yet. You know what? I'm not actually mad at it. I think it looks actually quite nice. Like, I like the drape of it, and I actually like the weight of it. Like, got my collarbones out. Oh god, I am showing skin. Oh, I don't know actually. Maybe this is one to keep. I don't know. What do you all think? Let me know in the comment section below if you like this shirt. Okay, so I've got this long sleeve Joy Division t-shirt. I mean, I'm not jumping for Joy Division over it, but I don't know, I think it's okay. Not sold on it, and the sleeves are actually really bothering me. It feels like they've twisted. We'll see. Okay, so I've got this turtleneck oversized jumper. I actually really like it. The only reason I got it though is because I got another jumper that this was being worn with it, and I thought, oh, actually that looks like a really cool combination. So I'm going to show you that jumper now, and you let me know what you think. What? Yes. Okay, so this is not for now. This is actually for winter. You know what? I actually really like it. I know it's really super early to be buying for winter, but I kind of just thought, why not? Let's just go for it. And I saw this and really liked it. I'm going to be super warm in it because I'll be wearing this, a t-shirt under it, and this jumper as well. But overall, I really like it. What do you guys think? What? This is actually a small jumper, but it's really nice. It's giving me a bit of like South Korea kind of vibes in the way that they wear their jumpers, oversized off the shoulder, V-neck. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below if you like this jumper, if you like the combo of the turtleneck and the jumper. I'm super liking it at the moment, but Lego. Okay. I am super liking this oversized blue t-shirt. I mean, I've got a lot of blue from all of this, and I've paired them with these kind of khaki, cargo, nylon trousers. Oh my god, that was a mouthful. These are super nice and lightweight. These will be super good for when I'm getting on the tube or anything like that, because honestly, it feels like I'm wearing nothing. Ooh. But yeah, they're super nice. Oh. I mean, I don't think they go with this t-shirt. I think this would just be nice with a nice white t-shirt or something. Vans off the wall. Okay, so I didn't like the other Vans t-shirt, but I do like this one. Oh, it's got the Vans on the back as well, and I just think it's really easy. On the website, it looked a lot more purple than this, but actually, it just looks super nice and casual. These jeans aren't some that I've got from ASOS. These are actually ones that I got from Weekday. I didn't get any more jeans or anything like that because I actually feel like these are the perfect pair. I've got a pair of skinny black jeans, and what more do you really need from jeans? So I'm going to try the rest of my t-shirts on with this and see how they look. Okay, Obey. A nice little Obey t-shirt. I mean, it's just a simple t-shirt really, and I can't remember how much it was. I think it was like 35 quid. But I think with this t-shirt, it's more the brand that I'm buying into rather than the fact that the t-shirt's either really good quality or anything like that, because actually the t-shirt isn't that great quality, but I just like the Obey brand, so I thought I'd get it, and it's a really nice colour. Yeah, really nice. Happy. Okay, so this is another Topman tee, and it's kind of a knitted t-shirt, and I really like it. I just don't know whether it's a little bit tight on the arms. I don't know, I'm not really sure. Is it a bit tight? Is it making my stomach look big? I'm not sure. I'm not in shape, so I don't know. Ooh, a little Puma tee. So it's a tie-dyed Puma tee, and again, it's in a medium, and I don't know, I really like it. I think it looks really good. Really like the colours, nice little purple gradiating into the kind of more peachy pinks, and then you've got your Puma logo in the centre as well. Okay, so this is one that literally you have to be either super muscly to wear or super skinny, and yeah, I'm neither of them. I'm a bit skinny fat, so whatever. I don't know, I feel like you need like ab definition, you need pec definition, and I thought I was gonna really like it. Like, I'm heavily breathing in right now. I'm not gonna breathe out. Is it a bit not okay? I don't know, I'm not feeling this one. Okay, next. Okay, so again, I think this is the same as the top before. You have to be super skinny and muscly to wear it, and I am not that guy. I mean, I do really like it, and I just wish I had the body type for it. Like, if I had pecs or something to hide the stomach or something like that, then yeah, maybe I'd wear it. I think if you were a bit more muscly, then you'd feel a lot more comfortable in it. Maybe I should just start going to the gym so I can wear these kind of clothes, but I like eating burgers. So I've just got one more thing to try on, and that is a pair of shoes. It's these sage coloured Converse. Oh, they're super duper nice. So these are the Sage Converses. What do you think? I'm actually really liking them. Alright everyone, so that is my video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to click that beautiful red subscribe button down below. Don't forget to leave a comment. I like to talk to all of you guys and I'm trying to build a community of fashion lovers, so let's just get the conversation going. Please also check out my Instagram, that's Anthony James London, there's no H in that Anthony, and my Twitter is so-called-fashion. Please also check out my Etsy shop where you can buy cards and vectors to help support you in your everyday design life. Alright, okay, thanks for watching. Alright, bye. Cha cha cha. Bye.